What's up, all you peeps and tubbies? I'm back with another video. And so I basically got the cards here. And the rainbow, that's pretty cool. Anyways, basically this trick is really cool. Basically what you do, you shuffle the cards, give them as much shuffle as you can, as much as you want. Doesn't really matter. You can cut the cards, do a little swing cut. Right. Check this out. Maybe even a one-handed shuffle if you can do that. I can't. So I'll just stick to shuffling like that. Anyway, so basically the trick is where the magician actually sets down the deck. I know, it's surprising. And then they tell the spectator to think of any card. And then oh gosh. Oh, this is bad time, bad time. Oh, that gets the sinuses cleared, if you know what I mean. Okay, so the trick is, I need to shuffle these again. Anyway, so you shuffle them again. Oh gosh. Oh no, what did I do? Okay, you flip these cards over because they were flipped up. Anyways, okay, so set the cards down. The magician will set the cards down. And then, oh no, no. So basically how this trick is done, I'm just putting, I'm in my bathroom. I don't know why. Okay, so anyways, oh my gosh, there's water here. So basically how you do this trick, you can shuffle the cards, whatever. Oh my gosh, what happened? 3 cards just flung out. That was weird. Oh jeez. What is going on here? So you can shuffle the cards as much as you want, it doesn't matter. Then, you just, basically you would set the deck down. And then, I have to switch camera angles pretty soon. So you set the deck down, but then you actually palm a certain amount of cards that's pretty small. And then, now is the time that I switch camera angles. So, you have your palm, and you palm it like this, and you can bend it down, but like I don't really want to bend my cards. If you can see, I'm actually a little red on the side just from getting so much cards. Basically what you do, you're like, oh no, I'm not feeling good, and what you do, you go really quickly, you put the cards in your mouth, and then you just start pulling them out. It's really easy, so. And then you make like effect noises like, so here's basically the full thing. So you're like, oh gosh, I'm not feeling good. That is not pleasant at all. Let me put the cards back on the deck. You actually still have them. Let me put them back on the deck. That was not good. Okay, so I want you to pick. So that's basically it. Like, if you have like time, you could like actually like put it in your whole mouth, and you're like, you can get a good one, but it's usually you have to be pretty quick to where the audience member won't know it. And then they say, do that again. I can't control my stomach. So that's basically the trick. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to always like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye guys.